how to prune tulsi plant. Okay, see, I have two tulsi plants here. This is the first one. If you see, the top part is just has no leaves. Okay, and it is very woody, and you can also see lot of dry seeds. Okay, so what I'm doing is like we need to prune these plants to make them more bushier and for more branches to develop. So just see this in this plant. Now I'm going to cut off over here between two nodes. Okay, so these are nodes. Fine, these are nodes here between one node and another node. So this is the right place to cut for new branches to form. Okay, I'm just cutting them over here. You always use clean scissors and wash your hands well before pruning. Okay, this is because, like, suppose you've touched any other plant which is slightly diseased, that there are chances of the disease spreading to this plant is more, because since we are cutting off, the cutting edge is open and it can easily catch infections. Okay, and see, I'm removing off these seeds also. Okay, if you're going to just leave it like this, they will just remain the seeds. After some time it will just fly off in the air and it will just remain woody and new leaves won't develop or new branches won't develop there. So I'm removing this too. Okay, so I'm just doing a slight pruning of wherever the seeds have formed so that new branches will develop. Okay, see, don't hesitate to prune, because pruning only will make your plant more bushier, otherwise they will grow long and thin and woody. Okay, so the pruning of this plant is done. Also remove any dead leaves or half yellowed leaves. Also, one more thing to remember, don't water the plant for 1 day after pruning. Okay, and another thing which we can do is, this can be done for all the plants. Just you know use some stick or something to dig holes near the root system. Take care not to damage the root system. So you can do this so that the roots will get more aeration. Do this for all the plants once in a while, so that the air goes to the root system and there is no root rot. This is my other tulsi plants. This is actually two plants. Okay, but see how bushy they have grown. I've done quite a bit of pruning on this, so that is why become very bushy. During Krishna Jayanti and all, I took a lot of branches from this. I cut a lot of branches and now they were again grown fully. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit of slight pruning again for this. Okay, so that this is actually started growing so much that it is not giving space for the other plants to grow. Okay, so I'm doing a bit more of pruning. These seeds you can save and you can sow it later, or you can just share it with somebody, or you can, if you live in apartment complexes or if you have a lot of backyard space, you can just sow these seeds. So a lot of tulsi plants will come, and it is tulsi is said to purify the air. So having a lot of tulsi plants is really good. So I do a bit of pruning here and there, uh, so that it becomes even more bushier. So this is enough for this, I suppose. Okay, so this is how we prune our plants. This is how we prune our plants in general. So especially tulsi, in lot of houses I've seen one long stick, they just leave it just like that without pruning, so it doesn't become bushy and eventually the plant dies. So please do prune your tulsi plants.